What is going on, CrackTube? It has been a while since I've posted anything. This is probably going to be the first video that I post using the GoPro. I've actually made a lot of videos with this. It's just nothing that I'm liking. So I'm just going to throw this one up to get it up on YouTube so I get some more engagement, I get some more people. This video, as I'm going to title it, it's a very short video. This is going to be real short, sweet, to the point. This is the first time I actually had the drone up in the air. It's like a 2-minute, 30-second clip of just flying the drone around a little bit here. So I'm going to try to, it'll be after this, and I'm just going to probably talk over it. I don't think I'm going to add any music to it. So you have to listen to me drone on a little bit more. However, the other part of this video is, yeah, I got the Plow hooked up. This is a John Deere 2500 hydraulic reset plow. She hasn't been used in a while. I haven't plowed in, I don't know, probably 3-4 years. So those videos are coming too. So I took the drone up real quick just to kind of get a feel for it and see how I liked it. I finally got all the right stuff for it. Mike P7810 was very gracious to give me a case and some extra batteries for it from his old drone that he ended up crashing. He got a new one, so he was like, "Hey, I got the case and the batteries for it. Why don't you come grab it?" So the kids and I went up on Sunday and we grabbed it. Like I keep telling you guys, a lot going on here. I'm gearing up if I got this thing hooked up. I was planning on chisel plowing, and I think I got a little bit too far gone. 1971 John Deere 4000. This is probably about the same vintage. Why my grandfather bought a hydraulic reset plow was beyond me. Some of these will have a auxiliary, we'll have a hydraulic tank on it to run the resets. This does not. This plugs directly into the tractor. So it's the only tractor I got to be able to run it. It is what it is. I'm not really upset about it. So anyway, guys, here comes the drone footage. I'm not going to dawdle on too long. I'll see you guys again at the end of the video. All right, so this is the first time, not the first time taking the drone up. I have taken it up once before. But this is the first time I actually figured out how to record with it. The first time I could not figure out how to record, and even then, I think I took it up. I took it up a few times, and finally figured out how to record. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I kind of forgot how to fly the damn thing, and it took me a couple minutes to figure it out. But once I figured it out, it worked out pretty well. Now, I'm not nearly as good as Mike P7810 is as far as editing the sound on this. Maybe at some point I'll have to figure it out. Let me know down in the comments if you think I should just voice over or just add music. I don't know. I'm not really sure exactly how I want to do this yet. I just, like I said, I just kind of took it up today. Got a bit of a feel for it. Again, it's definitely going to take some practice. I'm going to have to get a little more comfortable with it, do it myself. I think over the summer, if I have the boys here, I might let one of them fly it rather than me. This was, like I said, just kind of taking it up, panoraming around. It's kind of weird when I let it fly off. I can't see it, and I'm still looking at the sky, looking for the drone to get an idea where it is instead of just looking at the camera, knowing where it is. And here we go. Damn near taking my head off. Stop. Turn it around. So it's going to take a little bit more time. But like I said, let me know in the comments what you think. Voiceover or add music. Hi. And this is it. This is about the end of what I recorded. I just wanted to kind of get a feel for it, and I wanted to put something together to post so you guys could see what I was doing. All right, so that was it. The first time I took the drone up in the air. Pretty excited about this. I need a lot more practice, so I've been kind of doing that today. I thought I'd show you. I got the other 4000 hooked up to the offset disc. Yeah, it'll do what I need to do. I can listen to the radio, and actually I think I got a couple more places I can pop the GoPro on. But anyway, guys, as you all know, at the end of every YouTube video, you're supposed to say comment, like, subscribe. So leave me a comment, hit that like button, and definitely when you come up to it, hammer that subscribe button, because this is all part of the game plan, is to get, you know, views and everything else. So you guys keep liking it and watching it. I'll keep making the content, as shitty as it is sometimes. Anyway, guys, be prepared. Plowing is coming. So we'll see you in the next video.